Imagine unlocking secrets about your health, encoded not just in your DNA, but in the wisdom of ancient traditions. While modern science uses genetic insights to help prevent hereditary conditions like heart disease or hypertension, traditional Chinese medicine (TCM) has, for thousands of years, held its own profound system for understanding health. Long before genetics, TCM practitioners used the five-element theory, a dynamic framework based on nature's elements wood, fire, earth, metal, and water to diagnose and balance body systems. Through these elements, they recognize patterns of overacting and counteracting, or cycle of excess and counterbalance, that reveal unique insights into our well-being. In this age-old practice, the body's energies are meticulously understood and harmonized, offering preventive care that connects deeply with our physical and emotional health. Once you are able to grasp the essence of this timeless wisdom, you can perform self-diagnose, figure out ways to heal yourself, and impress a few friends along the way. There are two areas of knowledge you should be equipped with. The five-element personality types, highlighting both their behavioral patterns and the health conditions and distinct physical attributes which can reflect the element's characteristics. The generation, creation cycle, and the control regulation cycles, which reflect the interactions among the elements. The five-element types not only guides personality, but also informs tendencies toward certain physical or emotional health patterns. TCM practitioners often use these insights to create personalized wellness strategies to restore balance across mind, body, and spirit. Here's a breakdown of each. 1. Wood type. Personality. Wood types are often associated with growth, ambition, and a forward-driven mindset. They tend to be adventurous and thrive on challenges. They value creativity and tend to be leaders, pushing boundaries and striving for success. Common traits include determination, assertiveness, competitiveness, yet they can be rigid, frustrated, or impatient when stressed. Health challenges. Wood types are prone to conditions associated with liver and gallbladder. This can manifest as high blood pressure, migraines, eye disorders, muscle cramps, or tendon issues. Liver imbalances are also linked to emotional symptoms like anger, irritability, and mood swings. Emotional imbalance. Unresolved frustration or anger can lead to liver stagnation, often seen in digestive issues or hormone imbalances in TCM. Physical build. Tall and slim, with an athletic or wiry physique. They often have longer limbs. Face shape. Long, rectangular, or oval shape. Face with prominent cheekbones. Skin and complexion. They tend to have a greenish or olive undertone to their skin. General appearance. Wood types often appear energetic, with sharp, focused eyes. Their build and posture reflect their ambitious and driven nature, giving off a sense of vitality and forward motion. 2. Fire type. Personality. Fire types are passionate, dynamic, and extroverted. They enjoy social connections, excitement, and novelty. These individuals are expressive, often enjoy roles that put them in the spotlight. They bring warmth and enthusiasm, but can also be impulsive and excitable. They are usually very emotional and can become anxious, restless, and even manic when out of balance. Health challenges. Fire type are susceptible to cardiovascular issues such as hypertension, arrhythmias, and palpitations. They may also experience insomnia, anxiety, and excessive sweating. Emotional imbalance. Anxiety over excitement, or lack of joy can disturb the spirit in TCM, leading to sleep issues and emotional volatility. Physical build: scanty, compact, and muscular build. They tend to be of medium height and appear agile or quick. Face shape: pointed chin with a triangular face shape, often with sharp features. Skin and complexion: often have a reddish or pinkish complexion, reflecting their vibrant energy. General appearance: 5 types tend to have bright, sparkling eyes and a lively expression. Face and body often give off warmth and enthusiasm, and they may appear flushed or animated, especially when excited. 3. EarthType personality. EarthTypes are caring, nurturing, and grounded. They value stability and seek to create harmony within themselves and others. EarthTypes are known for their empathy and make excellent caregivers or mediators. These individuals may struggle with worry and overthinking, especially when they feel insecure or unsupported. Health challenges: EarthTypes often experience digestive disorders such as bloating, indigestion, and nausea, as well as blood sugar imbalances. Their tendency to overthink can lead to spleen-qi deficiency, contributing to fatigue and weakened immunity. Emotional imbalance: excess worry or obsessive thinking can weaken the spleen, which is thought to govern digestion, nutrition absorption in TCM. Physical build: round, sturdy, with a heavier or more solid build. They tend to have a strong constitution and may appear somewhat stocky. Face shape: round face with softer, fuller features. Skin and complexion: often have a yellow or earthy undertone in their complexion. General appearance: EarthTypes have a gentle, nurturing expression. They are grounded and have a warm, comforting presence. Their sturdy build reflects their balanced, supportive nature. 4th, MetalType personality. MetalType are disciplined, precise, and value order. They seek structure and tend to be logical, making them good planners. They are often private, preferring to keep a distance from others, but are loyal and reliable friends. When unbalanced, they may become overly critical, rigid, or detached. Health challenges: MetalType are more prone to respiratory issues, such as asthma, allergies, and frequent colds. They may also experience skin problems, constipation, or other large intestine issues. Emotional imbalance: grief or inability to let go can impact the lungs, resulting in lung qi deficiency. Prolonged sadness may weaken immunity, making them more susceptible to respiratory infections. Physical build: slender and lean, with a bony structure. Their bodies are often defined and angular, without much excess weight. Face shape: square or chiseled face with prominent bone structure, including a strong jawline. Skin and complexion: skin may have a pale or white tone, with a tendency toward dryness. General appearance: MetalType tend to look dignified and refined. They often have a composed, serious expression, and their features can be sharp and well-defined. The overall appearance reflects precision and control. 5. Water-type personality. Water-types are introspective, intuitive, and adaptable. They're often creative and value deep, meaningful connections. Water-types enjoy quiet reflection, and they are frequently wise and insightful. They may withdraw or become indecisive when overwhelmed, and feeling more comfortable in solitude or with a small circle of trusted friends. Health challenges: water types are prone to kidney and bladder issues, such as urinary tract infections, lower back pain, and reproductive health concerns. They may also experience hearing problems or premature aging, as the kidney and TCM are thought to control the life force, or Jing. Emotional imbalance. Fear is associated with the kidneys, and prolonged fear or insecurity can weaken kidney qi, affecting energy, memory, and resilience. Physical build. Soft and voluptuous, with a tendency to retain water or weight. They often have a fuller, more fluid build. Face shape. Broad or oval face with softer contours and rounder features. Skin and complexion tends toward a darker or bluish hue, often appearing moist or smooth. General appearance. Water types have a calm, introspective expression. Their eyes may seem deep or reflective, adding to their air of mystery. Their bodies often have a graceful, flowing quality, matching their adaptable and intuitive personality. These physical attributes complement each element's nature and offer clues that can help TCM practitioners access and balance a person's elemental constitution through lifestyle, diet, and emotional practice. In the next video, we'll gear up with the generation creation cycle and the control regulation cycles, which form the basis for creating personalized wellness strategies to restore balance across mind, body, and spirit. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think would benefit. Remember to subscribe so you can keep getting tips on health and wellness. And if there's a topic you want to see in the future videos, mention it in the comments. See you in the next video.